Intelligence is often associated with a high IQ, but it's more than just raw brainpower. Intelligent people possess a unique set of qualities that enable them to excel in various aspects of life. First, intelligent people are often open-minded. They are receptive to new ideas and perspectives, willing to consider alternative viewpoints and challenge their own assumptions. They also possess self-discipline, enabling them to stay focused on their goals and avoid distractions. Their creativity allows them to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to problems. Intelligent people also have a keen eye for detail, able to spot mistakes or inconsistencies that others might miss, producing high-quality work that meets exacting standards. Their adaptability enables them to learn new skills and stay up to date with the latest developments in their field. Intelligent people often have a high degree of empathy, able to understand and connect with others on an emotional level, building strong relationships and collaborating effectively with others. Their sense of perseverance allows them to stick with a task or project until it is completed, not easily discouraged by setbacks or challenges. Intelligent people often have a good sense of intuition, making intuitive leaps that others might miss, connecting seemingly unrelated pieces of information and coming up with new insights. Their strong interpersonal skills enable them to communicate effectively with others, building rapport and establishing trust with colleagues and clients. Finally, their adaptability allows them to adjust their approach based on feedback and changing circumstances, learning from their mistakes and making adjustments as needed. In conclusion, intelligence is a complex and multifaceted trait. Possessing these qualities enables individuals to excel in various aspects of life, making them truly intelligent in every sense of the word.